Wake up. Get up, HVAC technicians. Time to rise and succeed. Time to get up and get it done. Time to show the world what you can do. You don't stumble through life. You don't live by chance. You're not here by accident. You have a purpose and you are worthy of greatness. There's a reason you woke up today. Someone needs you. Someone depends on you. Someone is waiting on you to fix their problems. You are a service technician. You are an HVAC installer. You are a problem solver. You diligently keep people safe with the skill of your hands and mind. You're professional and on time and on point, and you are needed today. The world needs you today. You're not just a tradesperson. You are significant. Don't let anyone tell you different. They don't understand what you go through, what you put your body through. Without you fixing and building, there would be a void in the world. You're not just a tradesperson. You are positive, motivating, and encouraging. So get up, rise up, get out there and lead the way. You're a leader, and others follow you because they follow greatness. You're skilled at what you do, and others learn from you. You're patient and fierce. You're driven, and your dreams will come to fruition. Your hard work today will not go unnoticed, and your efforts will pay lifelong dividends. You're precise and pragmatic. You don't sell, you solve problems. You don't scheme, you're honest and fair. You're well-liked and respected. You do it right the first time, every time. Troubleshooting is easy for you. Troubleshooting is a game, and you are the winner. And your reward is the pride you take in everything you do. You worked hard to get where you are. It's honorable and honest work. Your calluses and scars on your hands are proof of what you can do. You studied. You worked long hours. You pushed your body until it hurts, and nobody can take away the lessons you learned. Nobody can take away your skills. Nobody can replace you. You are worthy and have unlimited potential. People like you. People like working with you. And you like people too. You enjoy helping people. You enjoy fixing and replacing their systems for all the right reasons. You help your community every day, whether you're aware of it or not. You repair broken things and put your customers at ease. Your customers like you. Your customers appreciate you. They write glowing reviews about your service. Nothing stops you. Rain, sleet, snow, and ice won't stop you. You're out there getting it done in the freezing cold and heat of summer. There is no place you won't go to solve a problem. Attics, crawl spaces, cellars, roofs, and the elements. Nothing stops you. Nothing breaks you. Nothing scares you. And you hold nothing back. You go all in, all out, every time. And when you're needed, you answer the call. Long weekends, no problem. Late nights, no worries. You'll do whatever it takes because that's how you roll, and that's how installers are made. That's how technicians are made, and that's how winners are made. You don't quit. You dive deep. You don't look back. You look forward. You don't buckle under pressure. You press on. You're an HVAC technician. You don't stop when work is hard. You don't stop when life throws a wrench at you. You're an HVAC technician. You dig in your heels and make it rain. You overcome obstacles and push your body to the limit. You're mentally sharp, mentally tough. You eat right. You think right. You do what's right. You take care of yourself and your family. They are the reason you get up every morning, to build a better life, to build a better future, to be a better person for those who need you most. You see, you don't just work. You live with purpose and passion and commitment. When others give up, you step up because you have to. When others complain, you get it done because you can. When others bitch and moan, you kick into another gear. It's who you are. You're not average. You're strong and competent. If you are unsure, you're humble. Because when you don't know, you grow. You learn. You expand your mind. You're on a mission, and you will not fail. When you're called upon to help others, you answer that call. You put others first. You put people before policies because you care. You have integrity. You are committed to making things right, whatever it takes. You are here to help as needed and when called upon because you never back down. You're a giver, not a taker. The more you give, the more you receive. You're an expert in your field and you gladly receive the financial rewards. You are worthy and you have unlimited potential. You are worthy of prosperity and you are worthy of all good things. You have an unlimited ability to succeed, to adapt, to learn. You have an unlimited capacity to rise above any circumstance because you are a problem solver and people need you today. Your customers need you today. Your family needs you today and every day. So get up and rise to your feet. There is much to accomplish and you are here to get it done. You are here for a reason. You are an HVAC technician and the world needs you today.